All right, you guys, and welcome back. It's your boy JD on 3, and we are back with another one. So let's go ahead and let's hop into this thing. So as you see, there's another bike in the garage. Of course, this is mine, old nasty right here. But we got Miss For Real up in the house today. She contacted me. She said she wanted a few installs done. Those installs being a grill protector, or I should say a radiator protector. We have some speakers to do, and we have a wrap for the hood. So this one's coming off, and we're gonna put a little wrap on the hood. So that's what we're gonna do. So for this first video, we're just gonna go ahead and unbox what we got going on, and then I'm gonna do a separate video on the installs. So let's go ahead, let's do some unboxing. So you can already see, and let's just talk about the obvious one first. This Bose audio systems, it has to be my clutch go-to pretty much for everything. They seem to have a really nice system. Let's see what we're working with. We're working with 4 today. Let's see. Or are we working with 2? Okay, we're just working with the 2. I was gonna say, we're probably gonna hook up this to the handlebars. That's gonna be where you're gonna get your sound. So if you have the quads, then I would say you put 2 at the bottom and 2 at the top. But for this application, we'll just put 2 up here on the handlebars. That way she can get all the sound. That's gonna be really cool. Coming over to another box. This looks like it's gonna be the Radiator Protector. Let's see if I can get up in this thing right here. Let me put the camera down for a second. Let me get this thing out of the box so I can look at it a little bit better. Okay, so she ended up getting the skid plate. So that's gonna look nice. We got the skid plate. That's gonna be nice. Should be a fairly simple install for that as well. We may have to do some drilling, not 100% sure. We get the hardware to go with it. So that should be a fun little install. Hopefully that won't be too crazy, but you guys know how these installs go. You start working with it, next thing you know, you got to do this, that, and the third, and it just becomes a whole complicated mess. And I'm assuming that we're gonna have to drill in with this. This looks like it may go for maybe the rally or so, for the whole location. So we're gonna have to take off the front fascia, probably drill 2 holes in, get the screws going, but we'll get into that when we get to it. And let's dig into this last box. I believe it's the wrap, so let's take a look at that. All right, so as far as the wrap goes, looks like we got a Black Panther hood wrap. So we've got the hood, and then it looks like we've got the front space. So we got the hood and the front space that we're going to do. Shouldn't be too bad, but you know how these wraps go. Sometimes it's with this particular material, this type of plastic here, it is really hard to see. It's really smooth right now, so it's gonna probably take a little bit of work to get that to secure properly without sanding, because she does have a new 2022. I don't necessarily want to sand, because when this thing comes off, you don't want to have a sanded down ugly piece of plastic. So we're gonna do our best to get this on securely, but it can be done. So anyway, guys, that's gonna be it for the unboxing. You guys stay tuned for the installs. We'll do one at a time, and we're gonna get it right. So all right, I appreciate it. Thank y'all for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. If there's any other type of project that y'all would like to see me do, please put it in the comment section below, because yeah, we out here. Ryker season is upon us. So everybody stay safe, make sure you tap in, and let's go.